This episode is all about Jack in the Box, and I don't mean the fast food.
So I needed actual jack stands because my car is up on cinderblocks, which I learned from my friends at 914 World is really bad.
Thank you to Jet and his family from 914 World who sent me these, which is unbelievably awesome. These are heavy. Okay, there we go, got it.
Now, let's take out these dangerous cinder blocks.
Let's get Jack in.
Time to take these blocks out of here.
All right.
This is so disgusting. We literally just cleaned the Porsche studio because of those rocker panels. Oh my gosh, those things can hold so much dirt, it's crazy.
Clicked in.
All right, onto the jack stands. So the 914 is going to be slightly heavier with all the Tesla modules in it than it originally was with all the non-electric stuff. That's why these jack stands will definitely come in handy.
Oh, is that good?
Perfect. All right, let's get these danger blocks out of here.
Here we go.
The golden pin.
Perfect.
Jack's away. Now I just have to cut out all this rust and take care of it. And more importantly, lunch. Thanks again, Jet.